Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming access. DB name, user, password, and host. Then pick a server language like PHP because it's simple for beginners. Once installed, add the appropriate connector, for example PDO for PHP or MySQL2 for Node. JS, and test a basic connection script to ensure credentials work. Next, create an HTML form with method equals post that sends fields to your endpoint so you can capture input. This starts the end-to-end flow from browser to database. You now implement the middle logic, receive form post data, and immediately sanitize and validate each field so bad data never reaches your DB. Use prepared statements or parameterized queries to prevent injection. Bind parameters rather than concatenating strings. After executing the query, inspect success or error codes and construct a clear response. For APIs, return JSON with status and message, whereas for classic sites, render an HTML confirmation. This keeps security and user experience aligned while the data flow completes. You finish by validating the full pipeline in a staging environment, test submits, verify rows in the DB, and confirm responses in the browser. Once done, harden the setup. Enable HTTPS, limit DB access to your app host, and run the app with a DB user that has only required permissions. If things go wrong, first check server logs and the connection string, then verify driver compatibility and DB user rights. That single troubleshooting step, inspect server error logs, usually reveals the
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.